What's up, Blockheads and Blockhead Patrons, and welcome to the video where I'm going to be randomly selecting 2 people to receive a Sena 30k as well as some other goodies.
Connected.
Alright, so it is the 5th of the month right now. Yesterday was July 4th. Happy birthday, America. Happy 4th to all you guys. Hope you had a great 4th of July and everybody still has their fingers. So yeah, in this video is basically the announcement. We're going to draw randomly 2 people, 2 Blockhead patrons, to receive a Sena 30k each. Like I said, as well as some other stuff. And this is basically done through Patreon, and this episode is actually brought to you guys in part by Sena. So I've worked with Sena for a little bit. If you guys haven't heard of Sena before, you should totally know about them. So basically in the dual vlogs, like with me and Miss Blockhead, or with me and Adam Sandoval, or Reese or Eric, anybody that I'm talking to on my helmet, the way that we communicate is through the Senas. So basically I have one of these on my helmet, and then say Miss Blockhead would have one of them on her helmet, pair them up together, and you can talk to each other via a Bluetooth communication system or mesh intercom. So these things are pretty awesome. They totally revolutionize riding with somebody else. Whenever you're able to communicate and say like, yo, I'm taking a right turn up here, slow down a little bit, or hey, there's some stuff in the road up here. It's insanely helpful whenever you're riding with somebody else to be able to communicate with them, and this allows that. So just want to give a big thanks to Sena for working with me on this, and you guys be sure to go check them out. So anyways, this is the 3rd month that we're doing the block box, and I just have to say first and foremost, thank you guys so much for showing as much support as you have, becoming Blockhead patrons. I greatly appreciate the support. It has gone far better than I ever thought it would. So basically, this is Patreon funded, so I take the pledges that patrons put towards the creation of content and the channel, and I put that back into some items, and then I give those items back to the patrons. Depending on how well it does, it depends on the size of the prize and all that. And so it's been growing and growing and growing since the first month. This is only month number 3. And I've given away the garage banner to start off, gave away GoPro, given away some Sena 30Ks, and then next month, guys, oh my god, the prize is just amazing. I can't wait to show you guys that prize. There will be a video on that out tomorrow morning. So the next video after this one is going to be what the new prize is for the next month. So you guys be sure to stay tuned for that one. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. I really can't wait to share it with you guys. Yeah, the way this works is basically people take that extra step going beyond the subscribe button and they become Blockhead patrons. And what that is basically pledging towards the creation of content. It helps the channel to sustain itself. It helps the channel to grow. It basically gives us the opportunities to do some really awesome stuff, such as this block box giveaway. It's growing and growing and growing, and it's really opening up a lot of doors, and that's all thanks to you guys. So once again, thank y'all. I greatly appreciate the support and the opportunities that you've given me. So just to go over what's in the block box for this month, we are gonna have 2 winners. So it's not gonna be one person winning both. There's gonna be a winner here and a winner here. What I'm gonna do is, based on the amount of pledges, I create a spreadsheet, which you guys are gonna see that in a second. I actually didn't print out a piece of paper this time for it like I did previously, because so many people are joining up that it's gotten like to be a huge spreadsheet. So I'm just gonna use my computer, and then we're gonna find the number range. Based on that, gonna get a random number generator, randomly generate a number based on the range, and see who is basically selected to receive these items. And like I said, whenever I first introduced this, is the same person, even if your number is drawn twice randomly, which I don't think it would be, but the same person cannot win both. So we're gonna have 2 separate winners. So basically, just to go over this real quick, the main item on each of them is the Sena 30k Bluetooth communicator with mesh intercom. Like I said, if you guys don't know about these, they basically allow you to communicate with somebody else who has one. So those are the main items. We also have what I call the golden ticket. It's just a Blockhead swing arm decal, like that one right there, or that one right there. And then we also got some made for Miss Blockhead. So we've got Miss Blockhead swing arm decals. So that's in both. I do have just randomly thrown in a couple stickers, Kinetic Motorcycles, Hot Bodies Racing. We've got a couple of Blockhead sticker, Miss Blockhead stickers, same here. And then on this one, we've got just a random Bassani keychain. Each one of these is going to come with a Blockhead key tag. I just am waiting on the restock right now. So if you guys haven't seen the Blockhead key tags, they look like this, and I will be including one in each of these packages also. We also have a couple of Blockhead vinyl transfer stickers on both. Each one of them has a Get Lowered gift certificate. So if you guys receive it and you want to get something on Get Lowered, you can use the code that's on the back of these to basically receive a amount off of your purchase. And then we also have some koozies from DK Customs, who I've worked with in the past as well. Like I said, also worked with Get Lowered, I've worked with Hot Bodies, haven't worked with Bassani, surprisingly. In addition to all this stuff, I'm also going to include a t-shirt of your choice from the Blockhead Shop. So basically you can choose any t-shirt that is currently up for sale on the shop. I'm gonna contact the winners basically after this video. I'm gonna ask what size they wear, get their address, and I will send you a t-shirt directly to your house. And it will be coming separately from this because they're basically made to order. Yeah, that's kind of how this works. It's a box of goodies, you know, that I'm shipping out to patrons. If you guys are interested in joining, you can find the link down in the description below. It is patreon.com/blockheadmoto, and I'm going to be posting up a video of how the process works, and that should be out within the next day or two, but I will be sure to drop the link in the description or the comments down below also. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna do the drawing part, the part that everybody's been waiting for. Like I said, it's a ton of data, so I had to bring out the laptop. All right, so basically how this works is we've got the name of the patron, we have the entries for the patrons, and then we have a number range, which would be the first entry and the last entry. Normally I would try to consolidate this list, but this list has gotten crazy long, like just totally insane. I can't, like seriously, I keep saying I can't thank you guys enough because I seriously can't. Like, it's insane how well you guys have responded and jumped in on this whole thing. So I greatly appreciate that. All right, so our number range, we basically got 1 through, scroll to the bottom here, 1 through 2,261. What I'm gonna do is I've got a random number generator pulled up right here on my phone through Google. And so the minimum is going to be 1, the maximum is going to be 2,261, right? Yeah, okay, cool. So I am going to randomly generate 2 numbers. So I'm gonna hit generate once. That first number will be one of the winners, and we'll go in the list here and find it. And then I'm gonna generate again, and then that next person will go in the list and find that winner. So let's go ahead. So 1 through 2261, we're going to hit generate. 2149. Scrolling down. 20. That is right here. Mark it in bold. 2149 is Tucker Engel. So there you go. That is one winner. Congratulations to Tucker Engel. You get one of the block boxes, the Sena 30k. All right, and so we've got one more person that's gonna win, randomly selected. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit generate once again. We got number 529. So let's find 529 in here. Scrolling up. Scrolling way up. Whoops. Let's see, 5. That would be right here. That is going to be, yeah, Diego Payon. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name, man. But yeah, Diego Payon. You are the second randomly drawn person to receive a black box. So congratulations, we got Diego and Tucker. All right, so I will be reaching out to you guys. I will be sending you an email, contacting you through both email and Patreon. Like I said, I'm gonna need your shirt size. I'm gonna need y'all's shipping address so that I can package this stuff up. I'm gonna send you a shirt as well. Congratulations, guys. Thank y'all so much for being part of the Blockhead Patron community. Just to kind of, I don't know, wrap it up so it's not too long-winded. So I just want to say thank you guys so much. It's just super cool, man. Like I couldn't have told you like 2 years ago that this would even be a thing, that I would be, you know, doing a drawing and giving away some like really cool items. Like, you know, these things are not cheap, man. Like they're kind of pricey, but they totally revolutionize the riding experience. And so to be able to give that to a community that's basically given me so much is awesome. Like that's where this whole idea of the Block Box comes from. This community that's given me so many opportunities, to me it just feels natural to want to give back to you guys. And so that's the thought process behind, you know, the Block Box, is to give back to the community that's basically given me so much. So I don't want to get all choked up, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it off. But congratulations guys on winning the Block Box. If you guys aren't patrons and you want to get in on this, the prizes are only going to get better and better and better. So for the next Block Box, notice I'm using quotes there too, there's a reason for that. It's going to be something just totally crazy, growing little by little, you know. So like I said, started with the banner, gave away GoPro, giving away Senas, and now we're to like the 4th month, and it's going to be something just even bigger. So you guys stay joined in on Patreon for those of you that are there. Announcement video coming tomorrow. Like I said, if you guys are interested in joining, you know, you're interested in putting your hat in the running to possibly be selected, be sure to go join at patreon.com/blockheadmoto. Just as a disclaimer, legally you're actually supporting the creation of content, and this is basically just a way that I choose to take the pledges and give back to the community. So but you're not paying for raffle entries, you're not gambling, you're not buying any goods or services. The basis of Patreon is you're pledging for the creation of content. And what I choose to do with those pledges is to basically invest them and to give them back to you guys. So that's kind of the gist of it. But like I said, there is a video that's going to be coming out in the next day or two that kind of explains it even further and shows you guys some examples of like the sign up process and all that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, congratulations guys. I will be in touch. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. If you guys aren't subscribed already, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon also so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. And until next time, you guys ride safe out there. Boop. Stay vigilant. That one. And I'll catch you guys later. Deuces.